Hey, NerveSpa family, Scott here. I have the pleasure of speaking to Dr. Joyce Herold, if I'm saying their name correctly. I mean, it's been a few years, so God, I hope I get that right. And Joyce has agreed to chat with us a little bit about her NerveSpa experience.
Thank you, Scott. And thank you for inviting me to share with some of your clients how our experience has been at MSI Integrative Healthcare. Scott, as you know, your products and services have been highly recommended from our colleagues across the country.
Oh,
And
cool.
yes, and so
It's nice
we
to hear. I mean, really, it is.
exactly. And referrals are golden, right? When you look at your colleagues who are happy with their products and services, their partners across the industry, you want to know, what's working for you. And so as we ventured into the world of neuropathy reversal and helping people with this horrible condition, which is peripheral neuropathy. We searched for those really valued referrals, and you and the Nerve Spa experience have been highly recommended. And so, as you know, we reached out to you a couple years ago, and the rest is kind of history. You shared with us your products, the breadth of your product and service line as new products became available. You shared what those were. And so our experience has been great. You've been available, you have a wealth of knowledge, and that's really important because in our industry, as we're, serving clients, not every single client is the same. You have clients with pacemakers or ulcers or special things that they have questions about. And if we are not exactly sure, we can tap into your wisdom and knowledge and your resources, and you've been great with that. And
I got to
so,
tell you, Joyce, I can't remember the last time somebody accused me of having wisdom. So thank you for that. No, it's and listen, it's the product line is just half of it. If you guys are reaching out, I figure it's for a valid reason, of course. It's nice to chat with you guys, about non-nerve spa stuff, but you guys have a business to run, a clinic to run. You're there to help people. So if you're reaching out, we take that seriously. So you know, thank you for mentioning that. And one of the things I did want to mention, just for hopefully the countless number of people that are going to be watching this, you guys use pretty much most of our stuff. I know you guys use our Nerve Spa, some of our light therapy. You started using the Quake Plate, several items from our nutrition line. Do I have that right?
you do. And so we do use the quake plate, the vibration plate, what we call it. We use the Nerve Spa. We also, which the Nerve Spa comes with everything you need. You open the product, and the patient has everything that they need. With a little patient education, they're able to use that at home.
Sweet.
And we use the blood flow super formula as well. And patients, they really value the products. We've tested them. We've used them on our staff for training, and they are gold standard products.
Wow, that's awesome. Thank you for saying that. Thank you very much for saying that. So, and I think you've kind of answered this, but just to kind of I guess put a bow on this, so to speak. Um, have the products been helping your people? Have your patients have they gotten better? By using the Nerve Spa products.
Absolutely. Our patients have. So we actually use diagnostics in our office. In addition to the protocols for the testing, we have a 7-point Toronto test, but then we
Mhm.
also have a pseudo scan, and we use thermography scanning as well to make sure that um, we are triangulating data and progress and measuring progressive care. And so, yes, our patients not only are saying that they're feeling better, but the data is sound as well. And so, the Nerve Spa, the supplementation, the Quake Plate, they're all a part of that program. to make sure that we're delivering real results to our patients. So to answer that question in a nutshell, patients are getting better for sure.
I love it. And listen, we all want to make money and sell stuff. Of course, that's obvious. But I genuinely enjoy hearing that the products are doing what they're supposed to. Helping people. Helping people. Regain a little mobility, a little freedom to be able to get out and about and do stuff. So listen, thank you for chatting with us this morning. Thank you for your candor regarding our products. We've got some really awesome stuff in the pipeline. I tell everybody that NerveSpa is constantly in the growth phase. We've got a lot of cool new widgets that either we just introduced or we're working on. So we look forward to helping your clinic and your patients for a long time to come. And thank you again for chatting with me this morning.
Oh, it's my pleasure, Scott. Thank you.